Alright guys, so we took the Mud Blaster 2 out on its maiden voyage, and it wasn't as bouncy as I thought it was going to be. I was expecting it kind of be a little uncontrollable and bucking around, kind of like the Grasshopper, but I guess with the extra weight and stance of the truck, it's not noticeable. Obviously, some oil field dampers would really help out with this. My only complaint is in the manual, it says don't glue your wheels, and normally I don't. But with this torque tune motor in here, we now have a slipper clutch. Every time you get on the gas hard, it just starts spinning the wheels inside the tire. So, you know, normally when you have chrome rims, you have to kind of sand out that groove to get down to the plastic and then glue them. Just run it one time without the tires glued, and you'll burn that chrome right off of the inside of the wheel. So I will be gluing these before the next time I take it out, and I am on the hunt for a set of shocks. Unfortunately, right now with today's market, the prices of stuff that are in stock is outrageous. So I may have to look aftermarket on eBay or something to try to find some comparable sized oil filled shocks for the time being. But anyway, the truck handled great. It is really stable, turning into the turns and stuff like that. I really had no issues with, you know, wanting to catch and roll over. I did bicycle once or twice on me coming up on two wheels, but nothing that, you know, a quick turn of the steering wouldn't fix. Surprisingly jumped fairly well. Obviously with, kind of the limited shock travel, some of those jumps I took, if it hit really hard on the front end, it would want to buck over, and we rolled it a couple times, but all in all, body is still in great shape. So all in all, this was a really fun build. Certainly is a time capsule of, those 2000s, that early 2000 era with the the graphics and everything. But the more I look at it, the more I enjoy it, and I've really fallen in love with it. And it was a blast to drive. So, if you guys see one, they want to pick it up. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. A short run video. Everybody out there, be happy, be healthy, be safe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.